What's up, guys? It is
What's up,
Goldstick,
John?
and we're here with this random goober.
Kai,
This
follow
random
me.
goober.
My user is kai.ac. Follow me on TikTok.
Yeah, follow him on TikTok.
Kai.ac. Follow up.
So we're going to be going to the office, and why we are is because this is my baby brother. He is a piece of.
Hold on, I have a whole bag of uranium.
But he is moldy cheese ball. So we're gonna take him to the duping machine to make him a different color, not moldy. Or big.
I don't think you can do that with uranium.
Or big like me.
Hold on, I'm gonna bring some more uranium. I have like a bag full of uranium almost.
Yeah, so if it doesn't like work.
I don't think you can duplicate uranium though.
No, I saw duplicated uraniums. They're like huge. They were like as big as people. They were Woody as big as people.
Alright, I got some in my bag. Are you ready?
Actually, I kind of want to change my fit. Honestly, guys, I'm changing my fit. I look ugly like this.
Man,
I need to just look like a cheese ball.
As a cheese bowl?
More
Wait, is
like
your
a
account
cheese
family friend? Am I allowed to cuss? Or no? Is it family friendly?
I'm family friendly.
Okay.
Yeah,
If I might accidentally say a cuss word, so I might accidentally.
There we go. Now I'm a cheese ball.
Oh wait, we're kind of the same.
Yeah.
Wait, we should dress up as twins. Wait, we should dress up as twins. You want to be twins?
I'm still a cheese ball.
You want to be twins?
No, I like
Okay,
being
just
like this.
We're still kind of close.
Okay, let's go.
Or wait, should we just go through the TV?
What?
Do you just want to go through the TV?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, should we like
Wait, what if you tried to be in here and then like oh wait, that's a hack. Okay.
Oh no, I've already tried
I'll
that.
make a video of me and another random goober or the same guy doing the obstacle course.
No, I know
you guys
way to do it really fast. Get 2 hover pads and an umbrella on your back. You can.
If you guys say you want to do that in the comments.
All right, get some key cards.
Comments. I'll write a message in the comments saying.
Here, I'll kill her. You go get the key cards and I'll just
to get. And also big shout out to this guy. Oh, we got a nut shredder. Got nuts inside of the shredder.
All right. Hey, Right,
okay, I kind of want to keep this nut shredder, honestly.
Find like 4 key cards because we have like 4 uranium.
Wait, where are you? Oh, what?
I'm looking for key cards.
Okay.
Bro, where are all the key cards at, bro? Wait, I think I've seen. Nope, that's a book. Bro, where are all?
Okay. Look, Mom, I'm making a video, so. Mom, I'm making a video, so. Okay, so.
Wait, we should go to a different area. I know a different area.
Another one.
Oh, okay. So we need how many? You have 1 uranium, and I have like, I don't know, like 2 in my bag, I think. So we need 3 in my bag. So we need 4 key cards. We have 2 key cards so far, so we need 2 more.
We need 2 more. Wait, I'm killing her.
Okay.
Oh, Viking shield. Oh, that's sick. Can you put this Viking shield in your backpack?
Yeah.
Actually, nah, we don't need it. I already have like a ton of them. They always spawn.
Let's go. No, wait. We have 2 key cards. We need 2 more. So let's go over here. Wait, how many key cards do you have in your bag?
I have one, and you have one.
Okay, so we need 2 more. Come on. Who the? Someone's in here.
What, bro? It's probably one of my long-lost friends.
I ain't found one.
Oh, and another one.
So now
and a third one. We found 3.
Just get as much as possible. Okay, just put here. I'll go get this one. I can't remember how many eggs I brought, but it's fine. Just come on.
Yeah, it's fine. We got 1 extra, so that's good if you forgot. Oh, sorry. This is the one part that I hate.
I know, Laughing Man is so scary, bro.
He's not scary. He's just he's just so annoying.
No, he jump scares me. Like his laugh jump scares me, bro.
Oh yeah, same.
Cause it's like you don't when he's gonna like start laughing. Wait, is this the right way?
How it is. No, it's the. Oh shoot! I hate that guy so much. He gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Bro, he jump scared me again.
That's why grappling hooks are so handy here.
I know. Wait, it's over here. Yeah, I remember. It's over here. Wait, no. It's not over here.
I think it's over here. Nope. Not over there. He was there. Where in the world did he go?
Over here. Somewhere over here. I don't know where.
Not this way.
Oh, I see him.
There's 2 of them! No, it's this way. It's this way. I see it. I hope this is it. Yep.
Yeah,
this
it
is it.
I
Close
usually
the door
just
just
empty
in
out.
case.
He can still come through the door.
Oh. No!
Oh, no.
The egg! No! Okay, so you're gonna want to put the egg. So,
Can you go put the egg in?
You have to put the egg inside of this.
Here, I'll put the egg in.
That gives us. Now
you want to put the uranium in. You want to put the uranium in now.
Yeah, I wanna.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna put Wait, I'm gonna kick down the key
My
card.
uranium just flying.
I'm gonna put him in. 3. Oh yeah, get that uranium. 3, 2,
Bro, oh my God.
1. I put it in.
Now key card. Did you put the key card in?
No, I got it. though. Alright, 3, 2, 1. They always spawn under there. Like, what is the thing wrong with it?
I don't think you can duplicate uranium.
No, you have duplicated uranium.
Let's try
Look.
one more time.
Wait, this is duplicated uranium.
No! The egg despawned. I don't think you can, because it should have worked. There.
This will be my new baby brother.
But yeah, I guess you can't duplicate uranium.
Let's duplicate something else. Like my backpack.
Okay. We don't have any more eggs, though.
Oh. That's gonna be a problem.
Let's just leave them.
Yeah, get another egg. Do you have another egg?
No, I can't. You can't duplicate uranium. I don't think you can.
You should have duplicated that egg so we could have gotten more eggs.
No, I think the people with the big uranium.
I think you should just find it.
I'm pretty sure with the big uranium people who have the big uranium, I guess they mine it and there's like a really low chance of you getting the big.
Open the boxes.
So yeah, I guess the people with the big uranium, it's like a very low chance of you getting it.
Yeah, I'll show. Where's that one door with the? Where's that one door with the exit?
Oh shit! Be careful. Oh, I just forgot which one it was.
Let's just look around for it. It's not gonna take that long.
Wait, hold on. That's the. Wait, I think I remember. Come here. Wait, it's in there. It's there. Here. No, it's not this. Oh, it's this way, I think. And then you're gonna turn to the stairs.
We're just going back up now. We're literally just going back. Oh my god!
Why'd you even go over here?
Oh, so we're. Oh, yeah, I'm so done. Now we don't have to deal with that stupid guy anymore. Come on, just run it. Speed run it.
Wrong way.
Bro, look. Oh yeah,
there's
two. Oh yeah, that one was closed. Okay. Bro, where are you?
Are you back at spawn?
No.
I am.
Oh wait, what? I'm coming. I'm back.
You wanna go mining and just fill our bag with gold?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, come on.
I need to put my new baby brother inside of the backpack. Oh wait! Oh, we're so dumb.
What?
The egg went into my backpack.
Bro. Alright, well just give me a big bag. Just give me a big bag. So
I thought you already had one.
I mean, not. I don't want to go duplicate. I want to go mining. No, I put in my stash.
Big egg.
Alright.
Okay. I need to put my new baby brother inside of a bag.
Alright.
Actually, do you want to go to the sewers?
Nah, I'm gonna go mining and fill my bag up with gold. Probably. How much money do you have?
I only have a little bit.
How much? Let me see.
Oh wait, how did I get that much money? Wait.
How
When
much
did I
did
get
you
17? I only had like
17K?
4. Yeah.
17K or no? Dang, you're kind of broke. I can't lie.
Yeah.
But we definitely need to go fill
my
up.
last mining trip to get like stuff was like when the new update like just came out. It's because I wanted to get more silver.
Oh, that's you. Alright, let's just go fill our bags with gold or something.
You can fill your bag up with gold. I'm gonna fill mine up with silver.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh.
You went the wrong way! You went the wrong way!
This guy scared the living crap out of me. I almost pooped my pants. I'm not lying.
Alright, come on.
I almost pooped my pants.
This
I had a very big fart.
What?
That could have caused a big explosion. So, yeah. I was about to say hold your horses.
Going down to the bottom, there's like more stuff down here.
No, I had like I'm not lying, I had like a big fart that like scared me. Like I was, that thing scared the living.
Hey guys. Who is this? Oh no! You sound like the Diddler, damn.
What? What?
Why you sound like the Diddler, bro? He was like, hang on. Like, bro, why are you the Diddler? Get out of here, Diddler. You should probably run. No, stop it, Diddler. Diddler, we don't want you here, Diddler. I told you no more, Diddler. Diddy, I told you no more, Diddy. Now stop it, Diddy.
Bro, just to say, a big fat guy that thinks he has muscles is chasing you.
Yeah, I know.
Idiots. This guy stinks.
Gonna do.
Oh, we got a revolver.
Nice. Oh no, spider.
Wait, what? Ah! Where are you? Oh my god. God, that thing scares me.
I have no light. I can barely see it. You have a light. I cannot see.
No, I don't. Yay, company coins.
I can't even see where the spider's at. Right now.
That's why I'm horrified.
Wait, the spider stuff. The spider stuff.
Oh, I got a bazooka. Wait, where is the spider?
It's stuck.
No, just where is it?
Hold on.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, bye-bye, spider. This might cause an explosion that kills me, but bye-bye, spider.
Are you still alive?
What? The spider is... The spider is like blown. Dang, I'm walking so far. Ah! I hate this place. Get company.
That's a lot of silver right there. I need gold to fill my bag up with.
I need silver.
So yeah, we both need different things.
Fireworks be like?
We should kind of get a lot of money from this. Hopefully.
No, I'm getting silver for my daily quest, for my quest thing.
Oh, that. I think I have silver for you though. Now we kind of can't see because we mined all the stuff. I don't know where I'm at.
Use that gold nugget as a flashlight.
Okay, I can see better.
Bro, what the hell?
And also, our skins are glow in the dark, so.
True.
Oh shoot! Now I can see better. Wait, let me mine this.
Oh. Wait, I know where like lots of gold is. Come here.
Wait.
And I'm scared to go alone though.
Wait, let me get my stuff. I think my backpack is full.
All right, can you come with me to go get this gold?
Yeah.
All right, can you come? I'm scared to go by myself. Oh no, come on. Bro, it's like so dark.
Why is it so dark here?
We didn't bring any light.
You were so dumb for not bringing any light. Why?
Wait, there's gold over here. Let me get this gold.
Yeah, you get that gold. I need to go to
But
titanium.
I know a place where there's more gold than this.
I'm gonna go to platinum.
Wait, can I get my gold full real quick?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, where even is platinum? I thought we were going to platinum.
All right, come here. All right, come here. We're gonna go to where the gold is. Oh my God, was that you?
That was not me. I think that was.
Bro, I cannot see.
Bro, it's like I'm grappling onto the void. It's literally like I'm grappling onto the void.
Where are we going?
Actually, let's just go back.
Wait, I found it. I think, nope. Wait, yeah, I found it. Come here. It's over here. You can barely see, but. Oh, it's over here. I found it. Go. The gold place.
All the gold in the world.
I'm just gonna mine it, then I'm gonna
This is like
put it in my
Mendocia's
bag.
dream in the Minecraft movie. Oh God. Oh, thank you for showing me the way.
Yo, where you at? Oh, I see you. Bro, who's calling me? Oh my God. Okay, I'm back. Hello? Hello? Where are you?
What, bro?
Where are you?
I'm up here. I'm mining gold for you.
Oh, because I cannot see. Bro, we're so stupid for not bringing a light, bro.
I see it. I see the lights. It brings me this way. Oh! We went to the wrong place. We went to lava, bro. We went to the wrong place. Bro? We went to the wrong place. We went to the wrong place. We're going to lava.
I know, but there's still more gold here. Let's just mine this gold real quick. We're gonna go back. We're not gonna go to the lava. We're just gonna...
Yeah, I don't really want to go to lava. Since there's another way to get lava over, I don't really want to go to lava. Is it so hard?
On my back's full. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, let me get beside you so we can both go.
It's on your left, bud.
Alright, mine it. Oh, my hook shot's okay though.
Alright, let's go.
Bro, why is there so many people in this code right now?
Why is there so much people
No, let
in
me
my
diarrhea. Let me
band?
diarrhea on my own.
Who are you guys? Who are you guys?
Steal this.
Okay, first of all,
Is this
I'm the mom of Diabito. I wanna be the mom of Diabito.
I'm the guy that crashed your game.
I'm using the toilet.
My
Oh yeah, I
mom,
forgot. This guy crashed my game.
Toilet, shut up.
Can you go join a different code, please, real quick?
No.
It's coming out.
Guys, just join a different code. I'm going to. I'm sure.
Yo, red.
No, I'm not going to.
Add a 1 to the code. Add a 1 to the code.
Okay, what's the code?
Alright. Nothing! None of your business!
Get your cheeks out of my face, bruh. Get your cheeks out of my face, dude.
Get out! Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna sell.
You idiot! I'm unfriending this kid. Wait,
Me?
yeah.
What did I do?
You tracked.
Please,
You're
don't.
literally going into my lobby, bruh.
But I literally did nothing.
Oh, yeah.
I said
You
I'm
did
joining. I'm
nothing.
literally chill.
Okay.
Did you unfriend me, bro?
No, I didn't. Alright.
let's see how much.
How much money? Did you guys go to lava?
Pretty good.
No.
No, I didn't.
Where'd you go?
We were close. Me and him just didn't want to go. So, yeah. Alright. The backpack with a lot of silver.
Hey, I'm gonna leave for like 10 minutes and I'll stay in this town. I'm like,
I swear. Bro, you got any silver? I just need a little bit. Bro,
yo, I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna get a Jason like for lots of money.
y'all got any silver? I need some. Bro, I need just a little bit of more silver. Bro.
I don't have
Oh, I
any.
look so
She's
weird.
leaving to get Jason.
Do you have any silver? What? Yo.
Now let's go mining.
Yo, what do you think about butt cheeks? I need to give myself a head. Plunger? Nah. Cool Timmy hat? Nah. Oh, yeah. When did that noise just come on? When did that noise just come? I can't do the